Okay, so well, to start off with this dusky look, it's pretty simple. Okay, I'm not that dusky, but like I would like to help ladies with a dusky look. Okay, so first of all, what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna use two foundations, one by Maybelline Fit Me, and another one is by Faces, and I'm just gonna mix it. I'm just gonna blend it using a setting spray because this too comes off to be quite dry, so I like like applying a setting spray with it because like it just gives me this smooth watery kind of a texture, kind of a finish. I just don't want anything heavy on my face, even though if it's dusky or if it's like light or whatever. I just want it to feel like as if like just applied something, but it kind of like covers your flaws, but then like it's still like it feels light. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna apply it all over my face with the help of my fingers. Then I'm just gonna blend it out with Beauty Blender. I can definitely spot the difference, like it has definitely covered my dark spots, but then like it doesn't look heavy. No, it doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't look heavy, it just looks smooth, it just looks flawless. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I'm gonna be using two concealers. First of all, I'm gonna be using this one, which is in the shade Caramel, and just gonna apply it over the needed areas. And you're gonna know why, and you're gonna see why I'm gonna be using two concealers. It just makes a good difference when you have a dusky skin. Because like as you've seen the foundation which I've applied, which looks a little bit lighter, okay, and you might have noticed like people use color correctors. So if I directly apply the brighter concealer, it might just pop out like that, and you'll end up looking like a raccoon. So what I have tried, this is not what I know, this is what I've tried. It's like applying a little bit darker shade before the concealer, like I've used. This one is Caramel, and then I'm gonna apply the lighter or much more lighter, say like much more lighter concealer, so that like when I apply it, it just like gives you the correct form. Like you just see it in a minute. So the concealer I'm going to use next is by LA Pro Girl, and it's in the shade Porcelain. I'm just going to draw it like that. Okay, just going to draw there in the nose and in the forehead, the corner of my eyes, under my eyes, on my chin. So what happens basically is like once you apply this and once you start blending it over the darker shade of the concealer, it just gives you the proper color. It just blends with the foundation. It looks like as if you're not wearing any concealer. Other guys might say like so then why use the concealer? Concealer makes a huge difference, that's why it's there. So next thing is like I'm gonna just use the same foundation for contouring. I'm not using a contouring palette. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Spicy Brown foundation to contour my face there. Now you see the difference, don't you? I do see it. So draw a line over there. Looks like an ovary. Okay. Under my lips, that's what I love doing. Or on my forehead. And I love doing this, shading my jawline. So let's just blend it. It's time to blend. Buff it out. Just dab, dab, dab. time for some loose powder over the concealed areas, and it's in the shade Medium Beige and it's by L'Oreal. And the reason why I'm doing this is because like I've applied 2 layers of concealers, and it tends to get super dry at times. So I make sure I'm using the loose powder just to cover it up, just over the concealed areas. Now I'm gonna use a cream blush, and it's by Benefit, and it's peachy in color. Okay, I'm just gonna dab it over there. Just gonna buff it out. I'm not gonna swirl it around. I'm just gonna buff it out. Just give it a dab motion so that it stays there. Highlighter is the next. Fan it out. Fan it out, ladies. Fan it out. Wherever you feel comfortable, wherever you want to highlight, fan it out. Now it's time to prep my eyes. So I have this eyeshadow palette by Swiss Beauty. It has many colors and I love it, and I love because it's pigmented. Well, there's not much to it with my eyes, so I won't be doing any commentary on this. Yeah, I'm kind of lazy, but then like if you don't want to watch, skip this part, because after all it's about the dusky look, it's not about my eyes. Like you can do whatever with your eyes, it depends. Like I have a very downturned hooded eyes, so this is the way I do my eyes. Not exactly, sorry, that's my dog, actually that's my son. So this is how I do my eyes, this is how I get ready, this is what I've actually planned for this look. So it's not that important. If you guys want to do something else, you should definitely try something else. I'm gonna be using this eyeliner, and it's by Color Bar. It's metallic brown in color. It just kind of like blends in with my makeup and with the eyeshadow which I've used. It's not like black, it's just metallic brown. It just gives a little bit of shine to your eyes, and it's very nice. Mush of white eyeshadow just to highlight the corner of my eyes. The reason why I'm using a white matte eyeshadow is because I want to use a white matte eyeshadow. I don't want my corner of my eyes to be too glittery for this look. It's kind of simple, it just sets in. So now done with my eyes, I just want to keep it very subtle, very light. Now on with the lips. I'm going to be using a lip liner to outline my lips. Beautiful Thing by Infallible L'Oreal. It's in the shade Plum Bum. I just love this color. It's like super dark and it just has a beautiful shine. It's just perfect. And the best thing about it is that it looks a little bit creamy, or you just say shiny, but it tends to get super matte once it's dry, and it doesn't come off. Even when you wash your face, you just have to use Vaseline to get it off. Now a little bit blush at last. Not much. I don't want my cheeks to get super rosy. Just a tint, just a touch of it. Down my cheekbones, in the middle of my nose, and the bridge of my nose, and my chin. There we go. Now setting it off with the setting spray. And we're done. So that's it, my ladies. That's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I love you, girls. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.